Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife Artistry. In case you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos and God bless you. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I draw my brows, the updated routine of my brows. Okay, if this is what you're interested in, keep on watching and let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using edge control to as the brow wax or the brow tamer. So I'm just going to bring it out. So this particular brand does not really cast oils on the face, so I'm just going to use it and tame down the brows, or like definitely put the hair of the brows down towards the direction I want them to be. I'm just going to do that and slick it down because I wouldn't want the brows to be flying around when I'm actually drawing the brows. Okay guys, so after trimming it down, I'm going to be using my Beauty by AD setting powder in amber, and I'm going to use that to set the brows, the oils in the brows. So I'm going to do that to equally prevent any shine during the course of the day or after her makeup session. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to use my brush and take out the excess that is remaining on that, and then I'm going to be using my flat angled brush from Merak Cosmetics and my gel liner from Hegai and Esther in the shade Nubia. I'm going to be using the both of them, the angled brush to just outline the brows. I'm going to be starting from the down part of the brows to make my straight outline. So while making the outline, I try my possible best to make sure that my lines are well precised. I don't really like making heavy strokes or heavy outline. I love my outline to be really tiny so that it's not going to be hard for me while concealing. So I'm just going to take time and outline. If you are looking at the way I'm just doing it, it's just like I'm taking the line, I'm making a sketch definitely. When you make a sketch, is going to just come out so neat and so nice for you. No much troubles, no much hardship when you are going to start concealing. Okay guys, so equally outlining the brows, I'm going to equally make sure that I don't really go way above her natural brow hairs, so I don't go above that. Okay guys, I'm just going to do that, and after that I'm going to be using a precise, well a well sharpened pencil. You can look at how the pencil is very sharp. The tips must be very pointed, and then I'm going to use that to make my strokes. So when I'm making the strokes guys, I use so many pencils to do this. I don't just use one because I can't be working with the pencil when the tips is no longer well sharpened. So just make sure I'm changing the pencil, like immediately I'm drawing. I keep changing the pencil because like my assistant is just there to sharpen it for me, and I work with just sharpened and very pointed. That's the only thing that will give you these light strokes. If you use a pencil that is not well sharpened, your strokes cannot be as precise as this. It is not going to be like that. It's not going to be like strokes. It's just going to be like you're filling out the brows. If you want to achieve light strokes, then you're going to sharpen your brows to be okay. Okay guys, so after that, after making the strokes, I'm going to brush out the hairs and then move over to concealing the brows. I'm going to be concealing the brows with my flat brush from Merak Cosmetics, and then concealers from Zikel, guys. I have told you guys earlier on that I love to conceal brows with my Zikel, sorry, not Zikel, from Zikel Cosmetics concealers. So I love using Zikel Cosmetics concealers to conceal the brows because that actually is very creamy and is always very easy for me to blend out after the concealing of the brows. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing that, making sure that I'm very stable. I don't have any reason to be shaking my hands. I am well comfortable because before you conceal brows and before you are okay with concealing brows, you have to make sure you are stable. You have to be okay. Like, okay, so at that point, you have to make sure you are very comfortable for you to be able to conceal. Okay guys, so moving on, I'm going to be using my fluffy brush to buff out the concealers. I'm not actually taking out the concealers, I'm actually blending them on the brow bone because it's actually needed there. I need those highlights from it at the end of the day when I'm going to be working on my eyeshadow. Okay guys, so after that I use my angled brush. It's actually a brandless angled brush to conceal the upper part of the brows. This the upper part of the brows is actually as neat as anything, as neat as already concealed brows, but still I still go ahead and still touch it. I feel like I always love to touch the upper part, even if it's even if the line is clean. I still feel like when I touch it, I get um a well-defined line at the end of the day. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to use my powder and set my brow bones just to set out the concealer, the creamy concealers on the brows. I feel that when I set the brows and nothing can actually mess it up during the course of the day or during her makeup session. Okay guys, so this is actually the end of the video. I hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye.